Howdy everybody, and welcome to another video with me. I'm Nick and this is London Creative, and you remember this from a couple of weeks back? The Icia St.Clare statue that I made, and it took me a fair while, and I pretty much haven't moved. I've literally just filmed the outro to that and then come in straight into this, because for me it's not finished. Although it was done and I adjusted bits, I took off the backing and whatever, I felt it needed more on the base. I wanted to make a diorama. I've started to plot and scheme. That took me long enough, and you'll see in a moment. But I thought I'd stop with stage 1 of the build and then go do this as a separate, and stage 2 is the diorama, and we'll see how we do. Why is it? It's one of these questions. Why is it when you peel the film layer off of the acetate, do you always end up with one little bit that sticks that you can never get off? Got it, finally. We have a dog, as per requirements. I thought about what I would like to do is make sort of a river down there, so that it looks like she's sitting over the edge of on the bank. That means putting something along here, rocks or something, like that, make a river, and then put some resin. Some coloured blue resin. I've got this hole, this dowel in the back to be covered up. So what I was thinking of doing is basically putting that in like that, so it's on the back, drill a hole into it, and this is part of the branch at the back, going through the plastic. Let's try that. I'm putting you on time lapse. Just turn this off time lapse just so you can appreciate the struggle. This is what I'm having to do. To cut through that, put this on, turns off. Doesn't have a big enough motor to stay on. This is really hot.
Eventually.
Oh, that is really hot. Look at the dust. Look. This is gonna be a mess. Lots of free flocking. There you go, flocking. So we now have this. I'm just shoving in some milliput. I drilled the hole out properly. There we go. One piece of driftwood turned into a tree branch, a tree trunk. I'm holding this very precariously because it is still rather delicate. And I've thought about adding bits of wood and so forth to the base, but well, I've now decided I'm probably going to just cut a bit of foam, put it down very carefully. This stuff, the XPS foam. So I'm going to cut a couple of pieces of that and try and make a base. And I've also bought some cheap plasticine to act as a liquid barrier. Hopefully stop the resin pouring out. We're back here and we've done that. Got that to that stage. It's cured, it's glued, it's dried, and that will fit in there. I'm just going to sort of shave away at the bank, try and make it shallower. Come on, show people. Oh. What do you want? Just say like that. Right. So it's more of a bank, more of a curve. Let's not play with the knife. I do have a couple of stones. I've got hundreds of stones. I collect stones when I'm over on holidays and things. But I'm thinking of jamming one of these into there, like that. I'm gonna get a dog down because she's gonna destroy things. What are you doing? Get down. Right, back down, move it down. Slide that in there. That. I'm getting glue out. It's not for you. The dog thinks it's done for her. Oh, it's a squeezy bottle. Dog is now afraid of squeezy bottle. Like that. to not throw shavings away to the very end. Let me see. So first off, Mod Podge, just to coat the XPS foam. In hindsight, I should have probably done this before setting her in place, but I want to finish the last video. I'm going to cover the bit of old twig in Mod Podge 2 just to seal it in to stop it rotting down. The pieces of wood have been baked so that I don't end up with any nasty little creatures coming out of it at any point. Okay, so I've got some nasty green grass paint. I'm just going to cover this. I'm just going to block it in for some base colouring, if this will even take. Somehow I'm going to have to make this less green. I found this paint and it's going in the bin. It's some lizard green. As I said, not even subtle, straight out of the pot, dabbing it on. Okay, just a quick addition, a little bit of Persian green. See, now this green, I don't mind. It's blue, that's why I don't mind it being green. You hear a dog panting like crazy. Just come back from a walk where we saw a rat, and somebody tried to jump in the pond in the park. That was, it is disgusting and it's like a bog. So there we go. I think I'm going to just do the locking, because you know, subtitles and all that come up with. And there's a dog. Can't see her, but she's down here. There you go. Okay, let's get on. Okay, I have some basing glue. The head fell off. One clean swipe. Oh well. I guess she's going on there for the time being while we finish this. We have these. There are crawly things in this, little bugs. Look. That's all we need to do for this. Always remind me of the trapdoor. The cartoon when I was a kid. Remember that? Yes, master. Does anyone else know? I don't think anyone knows that TV show apart from me. I used to love it. It was one of my favourite things. Oh, he's at it again, isn't he? Oh dear. Who left the trap door open? Oh dear. And it's gone everywhere. Now, there will be glitter everywhere in this flat for the next 5 years. I opened that. Get mixing. Don't think this is enough to cover that. I think I need like 3 or 4 more. At least 3 or 4 more. I think we're going with the idea that this is the base layer. I'm going to leave that to dry. Right, I did the resin pour on the bottom, which has set quite nicely, and that's been sat there for well over a week. because I went to get some more from the Poundland, which is equivalent to the dollar store. Couldn't get any. On Amazon, it's £11. It's a pound in Poundland. So I went on a massive search trying to find it. £2.50 each. Okay, let's see what happens. This has definitely got a smell, unlike the other one. It's very definitely more of a coloured resin. This smells and it's thicker. Turn this around. I'm sorry you can't see so well, but I need to be able to see what I'm doing. It doesn't flow. The other one is obviously thinner, so it flows more. Yeah, second one. Definitely gonna need a second one. If nothing else, it makes it smell better. Definitely making it move more. Okay, let's put this down so you can see. I've left it to dry and I just started peeling this off, and I thought I'd better show you how we're doing. Gonna need to clean up plasticine, get rid of all of the excess. Cover that in Mod Podge and go for a bit of a rustic edge. Logic. Have a hot dog. Steam train noises, the dog is hot. She's just been for a walk. It's not the 515 from Manchester. It's just Solo being hot. You like the light from the window, casting really pretty lights all over this. So some of this colour isn't all there. The plan now is to sort this bit out. It didn't make sense with the stone, so what I've done is I built that up there. I'll make it around there and then trickle down here to make a bit more of a waterfall. You look like that, and then the same down this end. Move you round. A little bit of white paint. Look at the colours, pretty colours. These false colours from this window are making this really weirdly lit, but it's very pretty. That's why I bought the window treatment. It's dragging up the white onto the top surface so that it will form a bit of a waterfall. Let's go like that. Okay. So, resin has set. I'm now just taking a moment to scrape some of this clay away, and then that can be pushed down. It looks like it's continuing on its journey. Yeah, I might stick some more foliage around there. I quite like the little runoff on the edge. Okay, I'm just gonna pretty much run around that with paint straight out of the tube and pot. Dab some paint around the edge. Well, there we go. One riverbank and river. One yay sitting in a tree. I'm going to put her down before she falls apart again, because you know me. And that's it. I hope this second video was as entertaining as the first, and I hope this was fun, educational, entertaining, and I hope I will see you again soon for the next big project, whether it's a painting, whether it's another model, whether it's cycling around London, finding something weird and wonderful to do. And until then, if you like this, do give it a thumbs up, leave me comments down below, and you should be hitting that subscribe button and coming back next time for more in London or being creative, or in London and being creative. They're not mutually exclusive. So I will see you again soon. Bye. Just found a bit of paper to rip up because probably should have had that do with foam. What are you doing? Look at the mess the dog's made. Ah, shit. I just lost my finger off. Like an old biplane going past. Hmm.